We can just start with our question directly.
Okay, so yeah, I think just
I think we'll just
yeah,
start.
we just start right. So I think today mainly want to interview you, the creator of this channel. Yeah, so
Partially.
so actually the first thing is like how it started the channel.
Like the one day I go to the computer and I go to YouTube and I create the channel. Then
I mean,
that's where this
what
channel
kind of
was
thing
born.
motivate you?
No, because I was going to Taiwan for a trip.
Oh.
Actually, 10 days for a trip. So
That was how long ago?
that was 5 years ago.
Yeah, exactly right.
2016. Yeah, 2016
January.
December.
December.
Yeah. 2016 December is when I created the channel.
Yeah, but it's
And
the
then
first video.
January is where I post the video during the whole trip.
Oh, so
That's
it's
exactly 5 years ago. Yeah.
Oh, 5 years and we celebrate 5,000 subscribers, right? Yeah, so this is the main reason we go live. And that's why I want to ask a few questions.
What's a few other questions?
Yeah, so just now I want to ask, so what is your unexpected outcome along the journey, the whole 5 years?
I actually continue to do it after 5 years.
Eh?
Because I don't know. I was making 10 or 15 videos on the first month.
Okay.
And then after I finished that trip, the channel is basically dead until 6 months later.
Oh, really?
And I
Oh,
made
you stopped
some to teach about biology.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's dead again until another year later, I think. I think we did some of the
News.
podcast, the news in the middle,
Yeah.
the podcast
I'm
in the
not
middle,
sure if anyone knows.
the discussion in the middle that nobody watched, which is good because they're terrible. And then I think is where the R heat map video, where this first happened, where we made
Oh.
our tutorial of the heat map video and the app shits, was that where everything comes suddenly, the people starting to watch, and I cannot post any kind of nonsense anymore, like the definition of series, which is
Oh.
the most fun to watch, but nobody really
Yeah,
watches.
actually I like that part a lot.
I think we can continue with the shorts,
Yeah.
because I think shorts is a good
Yeah,
way
in
to do
case
it.
you don't really know what is the definition of this series, is like just himself, like try to define a term in 1 minute.
Yeah, but it's also
Yeah, it kind of long. Yeah, but
So-
it's also kind of correct. Yeah, kind of long, kind of correct.
it's not very informative. I
Yeah.
think that is where initially I removed most of them from the channel.
Yeah, but I
because
think very impressive. Yeah.
it's for entertainment and nothing for information because you don't learn anything by watching those.
Yeah, but I like the idea.
Anything how about you, because you are also there from the beginning until now.
Yeah, I think initially I just want to upload some of the things that I hope I have been teaching a lot. What is that called? Lab skill.
HTM,
Yeah,
HPLC.
HPLC. This is
HPLC
the
is the
thing.
one,
So
yeah.
I always think that I don't want to repeat and repeat. Thirdly, to tell people how to do it, how to operate it, because it's just there only. So that's why I record the video to show how to do it. Yeah, just that is the initial.
Yeah,
video.
that's the fifth most video or fourth most video actually on the channel.
Yeah.
HPLC is 19,000. It doesn't make any sense.
I don't really know.
It's about 19,000. I just checked, yeah. Because
Okay.
we have about 9 videos over 10,000.
Yeah, so that is just
Yeah.
actually just technical things, and afterward, the thing that I will show my face, I think is the bioinformatics series.
Yeah, but you actually have it very early on how the microwave actually works.
Oh yeah.
And the genome and all that, which nobody watched, which is good.
That was the beginning. I tried to use my phone, to read the script from the phone.
Yeah, same. That's the whole Taiwan series.
Oh yeah. Initially we all did that, like just read something.
Try to film it alone outside, and then you realize that that's the only thing you can do.
Yeah, but I think that was quite a nice experience. And now I'm not sure my public speaking is still not good, but at
I
least
think you're much better.
at least
than
I mean
most people.
it's a good way to share things. Yeah.
It's a good way to when you edit your own voice. That's where you realize that how you pronounce certain words.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
the way that, like I say, so way too often.
So.
Yeah.
So.
No, you didn't realize. That's
Oh,
that's a
really?
good thing. Yeah.
I don't know. But
Because I edit my video, you don't edit mine. So
But I think I talk a lot. Right?
yeah.
When I edit, I have to like cut all this stuff.
Oh, I never edit my video.
Yeah, I used to edit things, but he's the.
I just cut in front, cut in back, and then I just add music in the
Okay,
middle.
so can we talk about like do you have other unexpected outcome along the the channel?
Unexpected outcome.
Maybe that besides from
Well, people actually email us for advice, which is fun. Which is I still find very funny because I'm not that good. I always say that, but I don't know if that gonna offend a lot of people watching this or not.
yeah, but what you mean like you're not always good means that what means people shouldn't find you.
I
You
mean,
didn't expect, right?
I didn't expect people will find me for advice in programming and art. I never expected that. I just do it because I need certain things to be done.
Dude, along the way you reply them, do you feel that you actually qualified one? I mean, do you have anything you want to improve or whatever like that?
Or the fundamental, no, I'm not fundamental. I'm not too sure, but the object-oriented programming is something that I really want to go into.
Oh.
Because like I'm okay with normal functional programming and the procedure programming, but when I go into object-oriented S3, S4, and how do we do SE object, Seurat object,
Oh, yeah,
and
all
that
this
thing.
very basic and
They are-
very, I mean, something that you always missing.
Because I never start from Python. Python, you have a lot of inheritance, you have a lot of all this thing that I never really go into, and I just started Python actually.
Oh,
honestly.
really? You mean Python and R will have, they have some kind of different fundamental?
No, the way that I handle object and the way that I handle this kind of thing. There's a different way of handling
So
the same thing.
This is something we can expect in your next series, right?
I don't know, we'll see. I
Yeah.
know how to code Python in a way that I know how to get things done.
Okay.
But both of us are not programming background. We're actually biochemistry background.
Yeah, I'm biochemistry and then you are the biotech.
I'm biotech, and
Yeah,
then we
but-
just have to get R done because we need something. We need
You
something.
need to get done.
Yeah, we need to get things done, and then we happens to know how to do it along the way.
And I think I also quite surprised to receive all this email.
Yeah.
And do you have anything else you want to say about the email?
No, but I will say that I wouldn't say that it's a good or bad thing about the email, but I do filter email based on the domain a lot, not because I'm like classist or whatever, but it's just that you have a gmail.com backend. It just doesn't feel like you're very formal.
But I always have the .gmail.com.
Even ours is still on the Gmail,
Yeah.
but we both have a professional email,
Mm.
which we don't put on the channel.
Oh,
'cause
yeah.
That's not really our job. Yeah, but yeah, if you do have a question and you have a professional email, I would say the professional email really gets you a reply a lot faster than a normal Gmail.
I also hope that if let's say there's the email inquiries, I hope that
Yeah.
you can just straightforward to tell us what is the problem and how we can help you. That will help a lot. I mean, we can respond easier, right?
Yeah, but sometimes I think people only know their problem after they have like speak
to
it out
ask us.
or they
Oh.
discuss with us and
Okay.
discuss. Like I always have after I discuss with someone, suddenly I know the answers already.
Oh,
So sometimes I think
see,
someone
see.
just need that, which I don't mind, as long as they actually have a problem and not ask us to help them. And then when we ask them what's their problem, and then they don't know what their problem, then of course,
okay. So
it's not like I don't want to help them, but I don't know what can I do
yeah,
for them.
we actually it will be very happy to help out if let's say there's the email or any way to reach out to us.
Well,
So
I
just-
like solving problems.
Yeah,
so
yeah, that's it. Yeah, just try to make it very.
I think more specific, and if you
Yeah,
can,
more specific.
if you have a script, send us the script. Because if you don't send us the script, I don't. Sometimes I don't know
Yeah.
what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay.
And you have a data set, send me a data set because sometimes it's a problem with the CSV file and the structure of the CSV file or the importing section,
Yeah.
not really about the code itself.
Okay, so maybe next move to the next one. You want to.
Which one?
Yeah. Do you want to talk about
The
your-
video I've removed.
Yeah.
Yeah, the definition of is one of them that I remove a lot of them that nobody really watched. So I can give you an example. Give me a technical term, then I'll
I
try
know
a definition.
the photosynthesis.
Yeah, photosynthesis is where plant use sunlight to make their own food.
Yeah.
This is a definition of which
This is just one sentence, but it's finished.
which
It's
is like
very funny.
yes, I think most people that know photosynthesis knows the meaning
Yeah.
of photosynthesis, but they need more information.
Mm.
And I think that's not what we really do on the channel, which is we give half an hour video for a very simple thing.
But we did it like in a relatively detailed way.
It's, yeah. We give very long format too.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
usually
so this is exactly opposite.
it's
definition.
exactly opposite of definition of,
Yeah.
which is why we might push it to a new channel.
So the other one, I think the news. I'm not sure should we continue the news. How's it? Summary news discussion, scientific news basically.
Definitely, but maybe in another channel. Maybe we won't put it on this channel
Yeah.
because I think people don't come here for this. But I don't know. We'll see.
But I think along the way last time when every week we have the news discussion, we've been really in track a lot of the development of
The
like,
current
the
status
current
of
trend.
research.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
think-
really good.
I think that's very important as well. I think that's what a journal club miss out. Is that a lot of lab are hyper focused on the topic that they do.
Yeah,
They
very
forgot
narrow.
about the big picture of
Yeah,
what is
and
actually.
That time I think we learn a lot about the
Micro-
CRISPR baby. What is that?
Oh yeah, the CRISPR baby
Yeah.
and the microbiome.
Yeah, microbiome.
Yeah, so basically everything is affected by
yeah,
microbiome.
that time really I learned the whole incident of the what is that CRISPR baby.
Oh yeah, from the front to
violent
end
things,
actually,
yeah,
that
front to
where
end.
the Chinese
Yeah,
scientists
thingy
create
like
CRISPR baby. I think there's 3 already now, right? I thought there's another one. There's 3 of them.
I'm not sure already now.
Yeah, I also don't remember. We
No,
haven't-
no channel. I mean, no series
No-
and
no
then
series,
more
no
video
news, no
this- yeah. okay. We might actually need to continue this.
I think we
Okay,
will. Yeah, I
so
think we will.
next, I think it's the final thing. So
Yeah.
do you want to talk about? I think you have been talking this in your last video.
Yeah, the Christmas
your,
one, right?
Your next direction and how about your current or next?
I have no idea what my current or next job is, but I would say the current direction of the channel will be a lot less about workshop.
A
I
lot
will still
less,
do the workshop, but I want more content based and not concept based video,
Oh.
like the hidden Markov model, like the deep learning bioinformatics,
Okay.
updates in papers, and recent interesting findings about packages, updates to the code and programming and stuff.
So will be focused on like which field? I mean.
Bioinformatics definitely, but I want to, of course, generally spread out. Bioinformatics is a huge amount of things. It's biochemistry, it's statistics, it's computer science, it's even like parallel computing is also part of what we do. Data management, data types, all these things. Like when we talk about why do TGCA, CBio Portal or TGCA,
Actually, bio better.
are one of them. Where they store data, they don't do it in raw format,
Yeah,
but normalized.
Yeah,
scope.
even in normalized way. So this is like make me, I don't know how to run the differential expression analysis using those normalized data.
Yeah, but as a data management ourselves, I was thinking the normalized score is easier to store in terms of the data type because I can always store all of them in decimal. So I have a very fixed data type. I don't have to care about the upper limit of the count data.
Yeah, but I don't
So-
really know this end. I
Yeah.
just think that it's very inconvenient for us to reanalyze.
Yeah. So I was
Yeah.
wondering you can get the raw data from SRA and then redo all of this. So
Yeah.
these are the some of the things that I really want to
But there's
explore.
gonna be a lot, you know. So it's like we have like 400 data set
Yeah.
for one study.
Yeah.
That means we have to run all the FastQ file and then convert it into the count data.
Yeah, which
So it
seems
would be-
ridiculous. Yeah.
Yeah, so I still think that a platform should have a raw data for us to do all the reanalyzation. I'm not sure is it
Yeah, I
kind
don't
of
think
like
they need to
confidential
give.
or what?
They don't need to give us the raw data. They just give us the normalized data.
Yeah, right.
And
in a
then
way.
have some of the indexes that we can reconvert it back to their raw data.
Oh yeah, this is maybe
Yeah,
can
right.
also. Yeah.
I think that's the easier
Yeah.
way, so you don't have to store all the raw
Yeah,
data
that's
out.
true. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting. I
Mhm.
think that I might explore
Yeah.
that way of doing
So
that.
this is like your update. So
How about,
maybe
how about your side? Like, are you gonna make more videos?
yeah, actually I plan to again make one video per month.
Good enough. You didn't make one for
but
December,
this is
so you
my
need 2 more.
minimum requirement. I also hope that can consistently make it like what a week, every week like that. In a way, I try to focus on like solving the whole thing. It means like
Yeah.
a paper
Yeah.
that can do. Yeah,
Yeah.
I because currently I'm doing this kind of the task, and then I found that the basic things we know a lot, but it's just we don't know how to interpret or how to continue the analysis in the I mean in the subject, in the objective, in the study. So this is my concern and my
Yeah.
yeah. Do you know what I mean?
I know, not
No, I
really.
mean it's like single side analysis. Yeah, we know all
Yeah.
the basic, but we
Yeah.
don't know how to go in depth into the downstream analysis.
Oh, yeah, definitely,
without the knowledge or whatever.
Yeah.
So this is what I want to further and explore more.
Yeah, I think most people misunderstand that we don't make content for the channel. We just do our job, and then this comes as a
Yeah.
as a byproduct of what we
Yeah, this
actually
is just
do,
a way for us to share
what
the-
we're actually doing somewhere
yeah,
else.
and what we have learned along like so much frustration and
Yeah.
struggle.
Yeah.
And we compile it into one video.
Yeah, I think one more thing that we can include next time is the
Troubleshooting.
difficulty that we have actually been through.
Yeah.
Because every time we show it, it's done.
Yeah.
It's easy. It's no, but most of the time there's a lot of things. I think I show a little bit in our neural network video where a lot of things that I gone wrong in the first 4 parts.
Yeah.
And in the end, it's like 20 minutes and I finished the whole thing
Yeah,
already.
this is the thing.
I think that's something good
Another
that I
one
want
is
to
like our channel, our challenge, the video.
challenge
also
or the
challenge.
survival and the UMAP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I
one
think
is also
that's
quite nice to show along how we shop it. And so and the next one I think I want to talk is like and in next month onward I will be like having a new job. Can
Yeah.
I just tell?
I think you will tell in the next live stream where you are
Okay.
actually there.
Yeah,
so
then
we'll review that when we reach there.
Okay, so I think that's all for our live show now.
Yeah.
Is there any question now or I can
There's
see
someone
if
that says something, but sorry, I cannot see you
Yeah, I
because
don't know
YouTube.
which one is to show your.
Yeah, I can't.
Yeah,
there's no way to show it after.
Maybe we will reply you. Here.
Which one?
Ben.
Hi, Benedict. Yeah, of course I remember you.
Okay, this is your student.
Yeah, this is my student
Oh.
there. The one that cannot sit down in the classroom.
Oh, so nice. It's like, yeah, actually he read a lot of your, learn a lot from your
It's good.
video.
Start programming. You will not regret that.
Okay, so
Okay,
I think
that's
see you
about
again.
it. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
Bye.
Bye.